how to install the Bizhub printer C25 and its scanner. So these are the list of the drivers. First of all, you unzip the file. So you have to check if you are using Windows 7, 8, 9 or 10. So x86 means for the 32 bits and then the 64 for the 64-bit system. So you just extract the file. Actually, I've extracted the file and then you would open the file. So you're going to set up and then so it's actually really loading, so we have to just wait for it. Okay, so modify, yes. Okay, you actually have to connect the machine to the system first and then it's gonna work. So also here you have to install the printer. This is for printing. So for Windows 10 is actually very simple. You just have to just install it. This is the setup information, and then you just go to your control panel and you will actually find devices and printers. Okay, these are actually the ones I've installed on the PC we use for test running. Okay, so you just add a device for the printer. So you actually have to use the USB 0.01. In this case, I've all used up every one of them, so I don't have to use it. So here you locate the konica Minolta C35, okay, C25. Then you just click next, and then I've actually installed it before, so you just actually click next and it's going to install. So that's actually how to install the printer for the konica Minolta Bizhub C25. So this is OGB copiers. You can get our machines. Just call us on 070130553337. 070130553337. Thank you.